Hi! In front of me is Nokia X10 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this Nokia device. First of all, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in voice recorder. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now click on the X icon at the top right corner and click on this red button to start the recording. Firstly, you need to choose while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. And as you can see, after that, my recording is on. In order to pause it or unpause it, select the middle button again. Now you can add a bookmark by clicking on the left one, typing in wherever you wish to or not at all and selecting OK. Or you can also end it and save it by clicking on the right icon. Then choose Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my recording is here. If you wish to rename it, you need to hold it. Click on this icon next to the heart one, or select those three dots over here and tap on Rename option. Either way, now type in wherever you wish to and save your changes by clicking on OK. If you wish to play your recording, just click on it. As you can see, if you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, tap on this bin icon at the top right corner, or tap on those three dots, and click on Delete option. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!